General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, should be good. It wasn't that bad. Just trade to fail. Yeah, that's true. I'm glad I keep my water in the glass jar. We have a conversation. It was a good investment. So Friday will be the 3rd. I was paper trading Friday, and it was anchor point is already confirmed. Terminus is already hit. This is something I did. Okay, that's for the TGIF. That's just no trade there. Okay. I think what it is, when I opened up the page, it was already unrolled. I probably was looking at it. Let's see what was next. We're fixing Friday. Another 115 for M15. Okay. Finally got that together. Definitely got to fix this now. I'll pause the recording this time because last time I got it. Dang. All right, good to go. And then this shouldn't show up here. Okay. All right. Much better when you get them charts right. Here it's Friday delivery. So we get this whole week. Is this TGIF? Let's see. It's London High. And so we got us a TGIF here. We retrace beyond 30%. So that's definitely a good note. That's why I had a little TGIF for Friday. Also, I gotta not miss no days, even if I'm not looking at a trade, because I notice ICT be doing his thing and keeping up with him. It's just good notes. And ICT is cooking right now. He the GOAT. TGIF played out early. I think the sales, yeah. The sales, TGIF played out early. The sales were, I guess, obvious to me. People traded it. People traded about two. It got stopped. I think in my personal account, I will trade the government shutdown. Down Fridays because we're going to have NFP scheduled every Friday until they cut the government back on. what's the technical term for that? If this week gave a TGIF with exposing risk in a personal account, not the managed funds. I want to be done, but also I got to keep in mind too. One shot, one kill could just start playing out even easier because it ain't gonna be no CPI, no NFP. It's just gonna be different. I don't know how it's gonna be. This was just week one, but if every week is like that, single candle, choppy, it can be dangerous. What we got here? This was Thursday. We just chopped, so it took, and we closed. Let's see where we closed. This is the low of Friday. We closed just below it. Hold on. All right, let's knock this out. Okay. I like how we closed below previous day dog for a real CSD. Um, the EU news and I believe PMI data came out, but we are going to be in a blackout from now on with COT data as well. Okay. For the daily. Mm, just it is some daily levels here too. This is the September run, but I ain't pausing it this time. I'm gonna just go to one because it's so big. Do this 25,087.57. Everything else we got left lines. I'm glad I learned how to do this because I was doing Dexter Field. I was doing all kind of stuff trying to figure out that OTE was what ICT was giving us. He gave us so much more this year with trading at all-time highs. But this, I'll put this on the chart. I was like, okay, God created Fibonacci. It's 25988.75. Well, people study the Fibonacci's and everything God created. Okay, now we got our levels. Boom. This is what we got to work with. Mm, this is a true reversal candle. This is really not that many um, inefficiencies or anything like that. We kind of smacked this one. I think ICT wanted us to note this daily fair value gap. Consequent encroachment was respected. This respected almost the whole gap. We didn't completely feel it. Let's look at this long wick too. We respected this crazy. That's a huge wig. And we could have, I know we're looking at wigs this year, but we could have looked at this. This could serve as a breaker. And just knowing that, we could just say, oh, this last expansion down, buying could have occurred. And we almost had a complete balance. So this is like a liquidity exchange. It should go. It should go up now, but if it starts closing below this, we just start selling, start tackling lows. Price rebalanced the last all-time high run up. We could chop here until government reopen. Now the news is going to be earnings, Powell, and CPI, and that type of stuff. It's currently not on the menu. Charts, let's see. Silver. 15. Okay, we rolling now. None of the charts is, it's not messing up and giving me weird gaps. I feel 100 million times better. And we pull up the tabs. I just sometimes the tabs it take too long to load them. Just go like this. Silver, much faster. Friday, let's look at the week. This was the move for Friday. Crazy how he came all the way back up. Like this delivery. Here, from here to here. Tuesday take Monday low. Here. Failure swing. Crazy. We take the low. This is engineer liquidity here. This like a power of 3 chart. This gets smacked. This is the low here. The high is here on Friday. That's crazy. That's a bullish market. Bullish market profile. We left this liquidity here. From here to here is the trade. Smart money reversal here. You wouldn't have been able to stay in this trade though, because look, this would have came and took you out before it made the real high. So buyers get in here. Would have had to. So ugly too. News came all the way back down. This is probably New York. What time is this? 11:15. Monday high. It would came in Asia. You have to trade structure with this because Asia is really the time. New York and Asia. London don't never do nothing. Boom, not textbook. Here from here to here, rebalance ideas. Maybe. I would have been trying to target this. This is engineering liquidity here. Taking buy stops. They not safe here. Here, no entry here to take out this. This is deadly stop hunt. Then we push up. How could you frame this? You can frame it inversion. And you have liquidity here. Just the high. It's not even like the anchor. Oh, how Friday. How Friday used the inversion fill a gap in Asia to set up the buy. Continuation buy. This might just be the best swing trade because government shutdown is dollar weakness, and the longer it shut down, the confidence in gold, silver, Bitcoin goes up, and weapons goes up. Weapons because American economy is military, industrial. It's basically tech because all tech, everything technology basically is used for a weapon. The whole purpose of it. That's a whole nother, not even, you know, not even a thing. It's like, this need to do the H1. Thinking about the economy, how the economy works, like, typing in the wrong stuff. It is what it is, though. Fuck it, we ball. The H1 is so beautiful. Even, let's say H1, and you use this as your point of reference. Say this is a confirmed anchor point. We took out 2 different levels of liquidity. I won't say 2 days because this took out 2 days, and then this ran this. There is no easy. This candle is the candle to sell. Just on the strength of this candle is a reversal candle. Let's see. That's the reversal candle because we completely closed this. So this is maybe I could form fit the one candle, and it worked. What time is this? 9 o'clock. If anybody was trading silver CRT on Thursday, you did the buy to sell. Yeah. Or the sell to buy. H1 shows Tuesday anchor confirmed. By reaction off of H1 order block. Note the reaction of the order block caused a fair value gap. Let's go to the daily. Close above? Nope, not quite. Let's put this. Let's give it an arrow, and let's give it a dashed. This layout is beautiful because I like the grids and how the volume bars. I like the aesthetics of it. No, we didn't close. Close above Thursday high. Also know what we left. It's not efficient. Price is on a mission though. You have to give it that. And every macroeconomic factor contributes to the bullishness of safer assets. Risk off. Stocks is moving like risk off. Let's go EU. Better. We got us a low on Thursday. So Wednesday midweek reversal was the profile. Interesting week though. You see what previous weeks had. Let me see if on silver. I think I'll save this because I think I need to fix the weekly box so I can see weeks. I really don't be looking at weeks on lower time frames. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Here. Okay. That's a little bit better for me, just for right now. Okay. Inside week. Inside week. Inside previous week's range all week. Friday return back to EQ. See that? Let's go here. You just know you gotta wait right now. If you only trade EU, why? Oh, I guess you're scalping it. That's why. It's like, bread and butter. It's probably easier too. No Trump. Like dollars a week now we should buy. Dollars a week we should buy. Tuesday was the thing. Tuesday, Wednesday was the high. Okay. Yeah, it's just not too much going on there. One week for EU, good thing. We got silver. That's swingable. And perfect for one shot, one kill. And NASDAQ is good for CPT. It's going to give you sit-ups every day. CPT, consistently profitable trader. I got to finish that book too. They finna take it off of Audible. One good trade. It's like the third time listening to it. I'll write that down. One good trade today. Just go here daily. Here. That's holding. This is holding price just all together. See this candle? This needs like a high-low EQ or something. Ooh, where did that go? And current intervals and below. And save this as high-low EQ. You shouldn't be only doing that on the hour. So we're playing in this candle range this whole time. What candle is this? Thursday, September 25th. I don't even think we took the low of that candle. We didn't. We need to. That'll be a trade idea. Take the high of this candle and then take the low of this candle. The dollar should drop. You never know. It could chop. We have trapped order flow. We stuck in the candle range created. What day is this? Thursday, 25th of September. Tripping, we're stuck in that candle range. Also, we should run this candle low. Run this candle low. It's fair value for buying. TGIF, it happened, but I didn't trade it. Bought silent. It's NFP Friday. Waiting for the government to cut back on. No, TGIF did play out. But I'm a paper trade or a personal account trade. On Friday. I'd rather be done by Friday. What I needed to be true to engage? Nothing. We don't trade. We don't trade NFP Friday. What did price deliver? Friday was a good one-sided day. I say, how often the regular trading hour gap gets filled on NASDAQ? It happened Friday and Thursday. It's starting to feel like an everyday thing, which is good. Nah should be a word. It's a rapper and everything. For next day, watch, gap, notes. Yeah, gap feel. Learn about pattern narrative. Learning how government shutdown could affect the monthly cycle. What will I watch for tomorrow? Government shutdown. There's some on the radio. They said the two most watched things in the world right now is news and sports. Nobody watches anything on cable besides news and sports. Everything else is on Netflix. All right, that's that on that. What is this? Is it going to sleep? All right, cool. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.